Hey guys, myself Vipin, and today I'm back with another exciting video which is on Alexa rankings. So before taking this video further, let me share this quick information with you about the two ways how you can measure a website's ranking. The first is search engines, predominantly Google, and the second is Alexa ranking. So in this video today we are going to talking about the Alexa rankings. So what is Alexa ranks? Alexa is basically a free marketing tool which helps to do competitive analysis, which helps you or enables you to know the ranking of a website. So businesses nowadays are looking for ways to improve their Alexa rankings because it helps in boosting their overall brand presence. So in this video today we are going to discuss few points which will help you to boost your Alexa rankings quickly and organically. But before that, I urge you to subscribe our channel DigiReload and hit that bell icon to stay notified on future videos. The first is publishing high quality content. If you are handling SEO for a website or are aware of the search engine algorithms, then you must know that your website must be constantly updated with high quality content to improve the chances of indexing. The mechanism on which Alexa ranking works is pretty similar to SEO. If you want to boost traffic on your website, the basic requirement is to have super high quality content on your website. So ultimately, if your website is receiving heavy user traffic and getting more visitors regularly, Alexa will also consider it among highly rankable websites and rank it accordingly. So make sure there is no old, copied, or irrelevant content on your website, as Google will downvote it, resulting in lower Alexa rankings. The next trick to improvise your Alexa ranking is optimizing images. Optimizing the images in your website's content makes your website load faster. Page load time directly impacts SEO of the website. Higher the page load time, lower will be the overall SEO score of your website. One more thing you need to keep in mind while optimizing images is that give relevant file names to the images. This helps the search engines in identifying and understanding your website's images more precisely and allows the search engines to rank your site's images higher on Google Images and Bing Images. The next way to increase your Alexa ranking is to increase your website speed. The ideal website loading time, as recommended by Google, is not more than 3 seconds. If a website takes longer than that, there are chances the visitor will abandon your website, which will increase bounce rate of your website, which is not a good news for your website. One of the ways to increase Alexa ranking organically is to focus on reducing your website load time and overall speed. You can do a lot of tweaks in your website to make it load faster. Compress images, minify CSS and JS files, invest in a fast server with high storage capacity, and remove unwanted files. The next trick to increase your Alexa traffic rank is actually a tool. Install Alexa Traffic Rank Chrome extension. This is the simplest way to boost your website's Alexa ranking organically. Head over to Google, search for Alexa Traffic Rank browser extension. Now download and install this minimal Chrome extension on your browser. Now whenever you visit a website, Alexa will record it in its database and keep on ranking it better. The next trick to increase your Alexa ranking organically is build links from high DA and PA websites. The logic in this point is simple. Google places more value in websites or links which are recommended by websites which are already ranking high in its database. When it comes to ways to improve your website's Alexa ranking organically, this could be a challenging task as websites with high domain authority and page authority do not promote content from other websites easily. So you'll have to find out websites which are allowing you to submit your content on their platform. Once this challenge is overcome, you can stay relaxed as your website will get trustworthy backlinks that Google will index easily. The last point which we are going to discuss to increase your Alexa rankings organically is sharing your content on social media. This is one of the most exciting and engaging ways to generate organic traffic. Create powerful and unique content, share it on your social media platforms. This strategy will not only bring users from external source to your website, but will also help in promoting your existing content on your website. Once your website generates enough heat to attract Google for ranking it in top spots, Alexa ranking will also follow. Social media has a user visit of more than 3.2 billion daily. That's not an opportunity to ignore if you want to boost your SEO score and Alexa ranking. So that was all for today, guys. Hope the video was informative. Please don't forget to share this knowledge among your network and subscribe DigiReload to stay updated on more categories such as digital marketing, technology, lifestyle, web design and development, and hit that bell icon to never miss an update. Thank you.